All I can say that they look like clouds, by the way. So, nah, I'm really surprised by this. But
Make a U-turn.
she is telling me to make a U-turn. Are you just trying to? ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಪ್ ಗೀಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಜೋಡ ಬೀಚ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ
ಹಂಗೆ ಒಂದೈತಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ.
ಮಾಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಜಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಜಾಗ ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ 40 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಬೀಚ್ ಬೇರೆ. ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ವಾಟರ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್
ವಾಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆವಾಜ್ ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೈತಿ.
ಬಿಡು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಿಡು
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ ಲಾಕೆಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮೌಂಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಅದತ್ತು ಫೋಟೋ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಚಲೋ, ಬಟ್ ನೋಡು
What is that, bro?
ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ ನನಗೆ.
ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಡ ಛೇ
ಬುಲ್ಡೋಸರ್
ಲಾರಿ
ಆ ಬುಲ್ಡೋಸರ್ನ ಕೆಡಗಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಡಿ ಹೊಡೋದು
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲಾರಿ ಹೊಡೆದು
ಜೀಪ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಅನಾಹುತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಭಾಳ ರಶ್ ಐತೆ ಬೈ.
ಈಗ ಕೋಲ್ವಾ ಬೀಚ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ರಶ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೋಲ್ವಾ ಕಲ್ಲಂಗುಡ್ಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೀಚ್ ರಶ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೋಗಿ
ಗಾಡಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆಡೋ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ನಂಗೆ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ.
ಹೋಗ
One day later.
So, I guess welcome back to everyone and myself, because right now I'm in Goa, and it's way too early in the morning. I guess it's around, I don't know, 5:30 maybe. Yeah, I guess it's around 5:36. But anyways, it's very peaceful here right now. Oh. That looks grand for some reason, but anyways. I don't know if I'm even going in the right way or not, but I would like to think so. I would like to stay positive that I am in the right way, right direction. But this is how the very early morning Goa looks like. There is absolutely no one, and yeah, right now I'm in Ponda. I hope you guys do know Ponda. Whoa. Hey, there is nobody. There is absolutely no one in the petrol bunk. So ISKCON? ISKCON? Like, ISKCON? I don't know. I think I just saw ISKCON right there, but I don't know whether it was ISKCON. Like, you know, the one in the Hubli Dharwad, the one in Bangalore, it's related to it, and yeah, it's, first of all, it's cold and it's very dark. I like the early morning Goa. It's good. It's calmer. It's calmer than the night. It's better than the night. It's cold as well. It's way too cold. Should I go there? No, I think I will just skip it. Sheesh. I don't know if it's a bit foggy. I think it's a bit foggy as well. So this is the only reason why. Okay. Whoa, it just got super dark. It's way too dark, though. Like it really got way too dark, way too suddenly. It was quite a bit of surprise to me that how the fuck did it get so dark suddenly. But anyway. मैं 700 का डाला सकता हूँ इस पे गिरा मैं हो गया What? I think it's showing full. I don't know how. If I'm here, this is way too cold. I mean, it's cold for Goa standards actually. Ouch. That was fun. Okay. Anyways, but it is actually cold for Goa standards, but it's not actually that cold, dude. Like, it's just 19 or 20 degrees. It's just normal temperatures in Dharwad. I think the 19 degrees in Goa and 19 degrees of Dharwad are way too different. They are way too different actually. Yeah, of course, because of the humidity. So मैंने बस 700 का पेट्रोल डलाया है तो फुल दिखा रहा है वो पता नहीं मुझे I don't know how far will I go with this 700 petrol. I think I might reach home, dude. Because yeah, I think I might as well. Yeah, I think I will reach home. Yeah. But right at the border of Goa, I think I will fill up once more. So early morning in the Goa, dude. Like, this is very early morning in the Goa. It's around 6 o'clock and the sun is nowhere to be seen yet. But this is one of the kind of experience which I wanted to experience. Goa in the early morning. Yes, Goa in the early morning. I didn't actually know how Goa would look in the early mornings because I have traveled late nights in the Goa, like around 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 12:30. Yeah, I have traveled, but early mornings, no, I haven't. So yeah, this is pretty much the early morning in Goa, which is, I kind of like the early morning Goa feel, dude, because it's humid at the same time, it's cool also. Like, you know, humid regions are not actually cold as such, but yeah, you are feeling a bit cold, but it is a perfect blend of the temperature, I would say. It is perfect blend of the weather, I would say. It is a very pleasant climate to ride in. And I am absolutely loving this. Early morning Goa. Yeah. Okay, so the reason why I'm right now in Margao. Yeah, this is Margao. So I have to go to Karwar actually, but holy crap, it's 65 kilometers. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's
Head southeast toward Margo, Ponda Highway, Panji, Famagudi, Margo Highway Bypass Road, then
भाई
turn
अभी कहाँ
left
जाना
onto
है मेरे को?
Margo, Ponda Highway.
What is it even showing, dude? Like what?
Head southeast on Midas Touch Road, then turn left.
ये तो मेरे को ऐसे चल के जाना है ना? क्या? What? Is this even accurate? I don't know, dude. Like what the hell? Yeah, that's what, right? Oh shit.
Make a U-turn.
So it's telling me to make a U-turn. Yeah, as you guys heard. So I should go back. Okay. Well, that's not surprising to me. But yeah, I will make a U-turn. That's not a big deal.
At the roundabout, take the first exit onto National Highway 66.
I made a U-turn. So what now? अरे यार भाई इस गूगल मैप के साथ ना यही प्रॉब्लम है भाई
Turn left onto Margo, Ponda Highway, Panji, Famagudi, Margo Highway Bypass Road, then make a U-turn.
What is the next stop actually? See, this is the problem with the Google Maps, dude. Like, I'm not saying that it is inaccurate as such, but dude, like, look at it, dude. What is it even telling me to do? I'm so confused right now. It told me to make a U-turn there, and then again it's telling me to make a U-turn now. How the hell? Anyways, like, yeah, no one's gonna know. No one's gonna know. Let's just do this.
At the roundabout, take the first exit onto National Highway 66.
Yeah. What is it? What did it say? Come again. Why is it not tracing? Shit. Piece of shit. ऐसे बताना भाई तो फिर क्या यूटर्न क्या बोल रहा है मेरे को क्या भाई पागल है तू No, it did tell me to take a U-turn, right? This is why I kind of don't trust the Google Maps itself. Like, it is way too obnoxious. But yeah, मतलब जो है उसमें एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा. I have to do the adjusting and compromising stuff. So yeah, that's very well decorated actually. channel. Are you just trying to Google Map? You know what actually? I just what's the matter with this Google Maps, dude? Like, seriously, dude, like, I'm so fucking fed up of this Google Maps. And yeah, this shit is not working. How the hell do I even?
Turn right onto National Highway 66.
Okay, so where do I go now? Here. Recenter. This is so confusing, dude. Like, the Google Maps are so confusing. हाँ भाई random. I will just take a random road, you know. So here's where everyone are going. Everyone is going here, so might as well. Okay, yeah, that's actually very good. And it's 66. Yeah. What is this? A church? Damn, that's huge. Damn. Whoa. What? That was. I mean, that is actually huge. Very huge. Yeah, okay, Karwar. Yeah, I got it. So, Karwar. Here I come. Margaon also. Yeah. We should be heading the same way for Margaon as well, but Karwar is another story because Karwar is in Karnataka. Karwar भाई Karwar city बोल के way too peaceful for any of the other cities. I mean other cities as in yeah, Goa is a state and it has major cities considering. अरे यार मेरे को ऐसे मत देखो यार. Okay. So first of all, I really hate when people just, stare at the camera. They don't even stare at me or my bike, but they just, stare at the camera. They are just curious, I think. They are like, okay, so he's got a camera mounted on his helmet. So he is a vlogger, I guess. Yeah, he's a vlogger, but what does he do? Does he vlog? What is it? What is this particular creature called? It's a moto vlogger. What is this Pokemon? The Pokemon's name is moto vlogger. It's still in stage 1 of the moto vlogging. Well. So here's the thing. I don't know if the camera is able to capture the sky correctly or not, but it's basically that twilight view. Look at the sea. Okay. So here's the sky. Look at it. Bagful. I did get the. I hope I did get the name right because. Yeah. Well, anyways, who cares? Done. Okay, I think I'll just meet you guys in the. No, dude. Let's do this. because yeah, this is the twilight hour, right? So within just some minutes the sun might be up. So yeah, let me show you guys the sunrise of Goa. What is this? Dandevado. Dandevado. Oh. I just read the names in Hindi, dude. Seriously. Oh my God. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You go right there. Right there, right there. Yeah, yeah. Oh, this side. What? What? Am I? Is this? What? Just let me capture this, dude. Like, what? Okay, so right there, that's fog right there. All right, I think that's fog. What the hell, dude? Oh, this is crazy, by the way. This is literally crazy. I mean, I have seen, but I have seen the fog settle down to the ground. But this is the first time. This is literally the first time I'm seeing the fog be so down. Like, what is this? I will go into that. I want to literally go into that, but yeah, alright. Just damn, this is so good. So let me just that all I can say that they look like clouds, by the way. So damn, I'm really surprised by this. But should I get a photo of my? I mean, should I get a pic here, dude? Like that's what it is. Damn, this is one of the best moments. Holy shit, look at that. Okay, yep. Look at that. I really wanted to go there, but anyways, it's okay. Oh, here it comes. Yay! Yeah, this is very cool. This is very, very cool. Like, look at that. Look at the thing here. Dude. Like, yo, what? This is very cool. Oh. Feels like I'm just going into the clouds or something. Ooh, damn. Damn, bro. Look at the shades of the sky. 50 shades of sky. Yeah, I'm just kidding. But, yeah.